Mastering Everyday English. Check in with, explained. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning journey. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, check in with. This is a common expression you might encounter in both personal and professional settings. Understanding it can really help you navigate everyday conversations with ease. So, let's get started. Check in with is a versatile phrase used to describe the action of making contact with someone to exchange information or to find out how they are doing. It's often used in scenarios where you need to update someone or be updated about a particular situation or person's well-being. Check implies looking into something, examining, or verifying. In often suggests action or movement towards a point of focus. With indicates that the action involves another person or group. When combined, these words create a phrase that is all about initiating communication and seeking updates. This phrase can be used in various contexts. In a professional setting, like updating a colleague or supervisor about a project. Among friends, to see how someone is doing. In customer service, to follow up with clients about their experience or needs. Remember, the context can slightly change the meaning and intent behind the phrase. To solidify your understanding, here are some examples. I will check in with my team leader about the meeting schedule. Have you checked in with John since his surgery? I need to check in with the guests to ensure they have everything they need. And there you have it. You're now more familiar with the phrase, check in with, and how to use it effectively in conversation. We hope this video has been enlightening, and we look forward to helping you continue to grow your English skills. Until next time, keep practicing.